I'm Miss Skeleton. I bet you're wondering why I'm talking in a British accent. Well, in class you told us that in order to get extra points, we had to talk. I mean, not talk. We had to make you laugh, and so I figured everything's funnier in a British accent. So this is why I'm talking like this. I apologize for the Twilight background and softball trophies, but my mother unfortunately locked our computer, and because she changed the password and she forgot what it was, so I can't go on. So I have to use my iPad, which goes in my room. So that's why Edward Cullen's up there. So I am going to be explaining to you how to use logarithms, like the properties. And the first property is product property. And I'm going to be using a purple because you really come off to me as like a purple person. Oh, here it is. I found purple. But it looks like it's blue in the video, but it's really purple, I promise. I wouldn't lie to you. So this is product property, and I have a whiteboard. See, product property. So here we go. So product property is basically if you have an example of, let's just say, log 7 times 8, like this. See, let's say you have log 7 times 8. You basically, the product property says you can change that and make it into log 10, because that's the base, because it's not giving you a base, so it's automatically 10. So log 10 7 plus log base 10 8, like here, like shown in this board right here. So that's one example of product property. So yes. So now let me erase this and do the next property. I hope your day is going great. I hope you're actually laughing in this video because, you know, I think I'm pretty funny. I don't know. I think British accents are funny. Okay, so quotient property. I'm going to write quotient prop because it doesn't fit. Let's see, quotient property. That one is for dividing. So when you have log, if you have log 5 over 6, that's a good example. You're going to get, so it's like log 5 over 6. You can rewrite it and get log 5 minus, because the minus, you put the minus in, and that tells us that 5 is over 6, so it's log 6, like that. And the base is 10. So yes, the base is 10. But I just, can you see that? Okay, so it's log 5 minus log 6. So basically, that's just saying that's the exact same thing as that. So that's quotient property. So let me erase that. The next one is power property. Power property. Now this one's a little bit tricky because it just looks kind of funky. So you'll have log, let's give an example of log 5 to the third. Okay, so it looks like that. So power property, log 5 to the third. So what you get when you use power property is you end up writing it with the power in front of the log. So you have 3 log 5. Just like that. Okay. So then there's change of base formula. See, that one's different. That's not like any of the properties. So basically, what you have to do with change of base formula, let's write change of base. So let me see. Let me find my change of base notes. I had them right here. My mother must have moved them or something. Change of base. Here we go. Right. Okay. So this we're going to write in red because this is top secret. So it's got to be written in red. So because everything that's a secret is red. Okay. So the change of base formula is going to be log. Oh, you can't see that. Can you see that? No, not really. Maybe I should use a different color. You know, some top secret things are written in green. You know, that's okay. We'll use green. Okay. So, so the change of base formula is log. Wow, that looks blue. Okay, log C A equals log B A base B A over log B base B. So the B and then C. Okay, so it looks like that. That's the change of base formula. Wow, we can't read that. Well, I just told you what it says. The messy scribblish stuff right there. That's B. That's log BA. I promise. Okay. So if an example of that would be let's say you had log base 2 and with the next number would be like 10 or no 9. I'm going to use 9 because no, you know, I'm going to use 7 because 7's my favorite number. So I hope it's your favorite number. You look like a 7 person, you know. You look like one of those people who really likes the number 7. But we'll see. So so if you have log base 2 and then 7, what you do with that is you get, according to the formula, you get log 2. I mean, log 7, excuse me. Excuse me, it's definitely log 7 over log 2. I don't know what I was thinking. Yes, it looks like that. See? Log 7 over log 2. So, that was change of base formula. So, okay, so what you do is just follow the formulas, you know. I guess I'll just write all the formulas to wrap up this great video. That is so funny. I will do this one in brown. Actually, brown's kind of a gross color. I don't know, it's just not happy or cheery. How about orange? Orange is a good color. Orange is a great color. Okay. So, I'll just write out all the formulas. There we go. I knew it would come to me one day. Okay. So, formulas. Uh-oh. Can you see that? Oh. No, not really. Okay. We'll change it back to, see, blue is always a good color to just stick with. Okay, formulas. Product, we'll do PP for product property. That is log base, and then we'll have MN equals log base M plus log base N. So that's product property. Quotient property formulas. Quotient property QP is log base M over N equals log the same base M minus, it's not like it's the opposite of plus, the quotient, yes, the log base, same base, N. Okay, so it looks like that. So those are the formulas for quotient property and power property. Can you see that? Okay, good. Okay, now we're moving on to power property. These are all the properties. So this one, okay, I said that wrong before. Product property, quotient property, and power property. So power property is log base M N equals N log same base M. So it looks like this last third one right there. See? Just like that. So in conclusion, because I already gave you the formula for change of base, I just gave you the last three because I didn't put those up there. But anyway, I hope this brightens your day a little bit. And I cannot wait to see you. I cannot wait to see you in class when you watch this. Okay, goodbye, Miss Skeleton.